What go on, my peeps? What go on now, people? Yeah, man, I'm back at the airport. My peeps. Yeah. Oh, see, here I come. Yeah, man. Heading back home to Jamaica, my peeps. Yeah, the airport. From Shirley. So, we're heading into the airport. Yeah, see if we can keep an update. I'll go and see it.
So come on and join me. They're on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this history.
So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though, to like, subscribe, comment and share. You hear? Thank you.
So it's now 12 a.m. 5:15 flight to Port of Spain, then to Jamaica. Now we're at the airport here now, Barbados with peeps. Totally different from Jamaica. I know this is so quiet. The place is so quiet. Alright. So no what going.
gentlemen, welcome to Jamaica. This is the Norman Manley International Airport. It is 32 minutes after 10, 1 hour behind the time in Trinidad. Please remain seated. Your seatbelt must remain fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. And when the seatbelt sign has been switched off, this will indicate that we are safely parked at our gate position. Please keep the aisle and exits clear of all hand baggage. Now before you leave, we'd like you to check the area under the seat in front of you. Look in your seat pocket, check for your cell phones, passports, reading glasses, books, pens, chargers, the charging cords, the block. Please check now. Be careful when you open the lockers. Must be mindful, there could be someone standing behind you, in front of you, or still seated, and you could possibly injure them or injure yourself. If you're traveling on and you need assistance, we have customer service agents in the terminal to help. Just a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, all passengers will be required to disembark here. Those of you going on to Nassau, Bahamas, you as well will be disembarking with the landing passengers. There's to be no smoking until you are outside of the terminal, and it must be in the designated smoking areas. This is the end of our flight, BW414. It was indeed our pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to seeing you again in the future. On behalf of Captain Mark West, First Officer Paul Dos Santos, and this entire in-flight team, we all like to thank you for flying with Caribbean Airlines, and please do enjoy the rest of your day here in Jamaica. If you're traveling on, we do hope that you have a very safe onward journey. Thank you and goodbye.
I go to the sleep. Yes, my peeps, I'm back at home. Back at home. Yeah, man, Jamaica. Yard. Back at home now, guys. I'm home, but everybody is off to school, off to work. So I'm basically gonna be this morning. Yeah. Yeah. At home alone. So you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. Yeah, man, stay tuned to all on the channel, my peeps. I don't know, this is a boy Dohan out here. Out here. Yeah, Barbados was nice. Barbados was nice. But whatever I had, I know so. So I'll just got to over, you know? So big up on yourself. Until next time. If my peeps or the woman out, we're home. Patreon.